Hey Savan, what's up?
Hi, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, dude.
So, what is all this series about?
This series is all about helping the students and JEE aspirants to understand about our NIT Varangal and to make them aware of this college while choosing during the counseling of JOSA.
This is a very good initiative, dude. So, we didn't have something like this when we were about to join a college. I hope this will help the students who are going to join this year.
So, coming to me, I'm Raghu. I'm from Electronics and Communication Department, NIT Varangal 2020 passed out. So I'm going to start with my JEE rank, which is 2117. Initially, I got to mechanical engineering with the first round of JEE counseling, and eventually, after the fifth round or fourth round, I got into my electronics communication department. I've got placed in Fidelity Investments as a software engineer. So yeah, this is all about me. And what about you?
My JEE main rank was 15K. Then I had to choose between branch or college. So then eventually I chose NIT Warangal. Then branch actually I was able to get only metallurgy then. So I would say I just sneaked into NIT Warangal. Then after my first year, I have eventually changed my branch from metallurgy to civil with the help of the branch sliding that we have based on our first year CGPA. So that is about me.
That's really very inspiring of you, dude, getting a branch slide after getting into NIT Varangal. So after getting into NIT Varangal, what did you expect and what was your experience in your first year?
I remember the first day that I entered the campus, like I was very tentative, but very nervous as well because, as I told you, I just sneaked into the college and I was expecting the others to be like very intellectuals. Actually, after 1 or 2 weeks, after getting to know people, started talking to you all, and then the nerves started to settle down. Then I got to know that. Like JEE is a different ball game, and this is again a different ball game. Like everyone starts from zero again, and then I was into the process, and I have enjoyed all my 4 years of journey with NIT Warangal. And how was your experience?
For me, it was like a roller coaster experience. My first semester was very hard to digest for me. I got a 6 pointer initially, but I ended up getting an 8 pointer in the second semester. I got inspired from you guys.
That is a very good and inspirational kind of thing that you have done. How was your 4 years journey? What did you get to learn?
Yeah, coming to my branch, everybody used to say that it's all about labs and assignments. You need to write a lot of stuff. Yes, we need to write a lot of stuff, but also we have been learning a lot in these 4 years. Apart from that, we got to know about the practical implementation of our project, be it a small scale project or large scale project. They every time used to push us to implement it in the practically. So that was a great experience for me.
Someone comes to you and asks whether or not should I take NIT Warangal ECE. So what will you
Yeah.
say?
I would say you need to take easy because you'll be getting a lot of stuff to know. There will be a lot of scope between these two, and also the EC association will be helping you at every point of time to get to know about the EC stuff as well as the software stuff. At every point of time, you'll be having two options, whether to go into hardware or software. So you don't need to worry about your placement, guys. Very good experience joining EC.
Cool.
Yeah.
My experience with civil, it was again a decent one. I had a great time in civil engineering department. Then after coming to civil, I started liking the subject. Civil major part is all about those mechanics, mechanics part that you learn in 11th and 12th. It's just an extension to that. Even the faculty and all are having somewhere around 25 to 30 years experience, along with people who have recently done their PhDs and from other IITs and world-class universities come here. So it's a good mix where you get to learn from the experience of the old faculty and with the research related learning from the new age faculty.
Yeah, that's great to hear. You got an internship in IISc Bangalore, right? So that is one of the greatest achievements I can hear of. What about that?
In my third year, I was applying for different types of research programs all over the country and also abroad. Then eventually, I got a call from this summer research fellowship program that happens every year. The subject that I had when compared to the other people who came from other colleges, like again, those people were from IITs and other premium institutes from India only, was a bit like in the next level to the basics that those people had. Then I went and I could complete the whole formulation part within 1 week or 10 days. And they told me that we were never thought of these things in our college. So how were you
Yeah.
able to learn these things? So I told them that my faculty taught me these things, so there's nothing much I have done. Then I came back and I asked my faculty about the same thing. Then he told me
Yeah.
that this is actually the thing that we cover for MTech people, not for the BTech people. So I just wanted you people to be ahead so that it will help you outside in your industrial experience, or else when you go for these
Yeah.
research kind of interns as well. So that day I got to know this NIT Warangal is just a good place to be in, because you will get to learn more things when compared to other people, and you are a step ahead of other people. So that is never like experience. So coming to EC, how was it like? Are you all industry ready?
Yeah, we are really fortunate to have these professors, dude. Like, they always encourage us to publish a paper. Nevertheless, our project is small or big. Every time they used to say that you need to implement it practically, you need to publish a paper, you need to go to conferences and all other stuff. So the practical part was great, I should say. And also in the recent years, the change in the curriculum according to the contemporary technologies and other stuff like Internet of Things, machine learning, and the labs are also changing right now. So it is kind of great to hear about that.
Yeah, that is a very good point about NIT Warangal. We have adaptive kind of mechanism for the curriculum. Our juniors are having a different curriculum, so it is highly
Yeah.
adaptive kind of curriculum that we have, and I think it helps a lot for the candidates.
Any student comes into NIT Warangal, don't need to worry about learning other new technologies apart from what they are taught from the curriculum. So it's enough to depend on the curriculum and then go on to the placement. So that works every time.
So coming to projects, how was the assistance from the faculties? Were you satisfied with the assistance from the faculty for?
The assistance from the faculties is more than 100%. I've worked under two professors. Both of them were very cooperative, and they both encouraged me to publish a paper, but the progress and the extent to which I did a project was not that much worth. So I dropped the idea of publishing the paper, but it was really great experience working under them. Whether it can be a final year project or the mini project, we have done it in the second year.
True, true. Even I had the same experience with civil faculty as well. Like they own the project. They continuously encourage you. They are at back of you every time. So that is a very good thing about NIT Warangal.
So, how do you think that our college, NIT Warangal, is different from other colleges?
So
Yeah.
I would say that in first year we were actually clubbed into sections. People from all branches can be in a section. Like so, first year is common for everyone. So everyone gets to sit with all other branches. So eventually helped us in working out some multidisciplinary projects in our third year, where we had this epics kind of thing, and we actually
Yeah.
worked on something like accident prediction model, something of
Yeah.
that sort, which
Yeah.
requires a thing of civil, ECE, mechanical. So that is one major thing that is different in NIT Warangal. When I talk to people from other IITs and other colleges with my friends, they told me that they get to sit with only mechanical people or ECE people or civil people for that matter from first year itself. But we
Yeah.
in our college get to sit with all other branch people for the first year, and then from the second year it is again you sit with the people from your branch only. So
Yeah. Like,
any points you would like to add upon? Like
also the clubs, because of the clubs, we got a lot of knowledge, like coming to the business club or quiz club or literary and debating club. These all clubs were conducting many events and workshops and all the stuff, right? So we could somehow in these 4 years learn a lot about many other things happening around us in the world. So yeah, these are all the things which make NIT Warangal a bit different from other colleges.
so, how do you think NIT Warangal has been instrumental in enhancing your skills?
NIT Warangal played a major part in this, I can say. The way the competitive coding has been going and the way the students are exhibiting their skills at every level whenever they get an opportunity, whether it can be a hackathon conducted by Innovation Garage. This competitive spirit has always been there in our college, right? Right from the first year. So I do think NIT Warangal played a very important role in my skills. In a way, it made me industry ready. So what do you think about that?
So, coming to skills, I think. like I was completely different when I was in my first year, and when compared to now, like I didn't have confidence to speak in front of people then. Like I was not good at social skills, like communicating with people, talking around, or something of that sort. Because it is actually a very common with all of them coming to the college, because we were doing nothing but maths, physics, and chemistry for 4 years to 5 years before that, and so we tend to get introvert, like we get into that introvert nature and all. But coming to this college, the exposure that I got through different clubs or different associations I have been part of, or different positions of responsibilities that I have taken in NIT Warangal, so it has transformed me from an introvert guy who was not able to speak that good in front of others or something of that sort, to a guy who can exhibit his ideas or tell his ideas, give out his ideas confidently in front of people.
That's great to hear. Yeah. So, dude, when we joined our college, it's been in the first or second position, right? In the NIT rankings. And now it's been in the fourth position. What do you think are the reasons behind it? Is it the public perception?
It is on the basis of public perception that NIT Warangal is lagging behind. Yes, but when it comes to placements or when it comes to research activities, what do in terms of professors to number of students, male to female ratio, or everything, every other aspect, we are on par with NIT Trichy or NIT Surathkal for that matter. Because I have been the placement coordinator, I can say that the number of companies that visit our college is more or less the same, or even more when compared to NIT Surathkal or NIT Trichy and NIT Rourkela for that matter. We are just lacking behind in perception thing, which is not in hands of the college administration. Like it depends on public what they think about. So I would say NIT Warangal is on par with NIT Trichy, Surathkal, and other colleges, other new IITs, I could say. Like,
in conclusion, we'll be talking about any memory at NIT Warangal for you personally.
the whole journey has been memorable. Actually, I would say because spending those night outs in our hostels, or else going out for dinners together. We used to go about 10 to 15 people at once. We used to have fun, go out for dinners, and we used to go for movies and all night shows, second shows, all those kind of stuff we used to do. And everything that we have done, it is memorable and it cannot be replaced. And the kind of freedom, actually, we can specify this point here. So that is very good. But again, it has a few negative impacts for people doing negative things. But it is a good thing. Like you get freedom, you get to enjoy with your friends. So, how are your memories?
My memories are like roaming with you guys around the ladies' hostels and going to the auditoriums. So, like, it used to be like we used to spend all the time in the movie theaters, dude. Like, our hostel used to be a movie theater, and we used to visit NIT Warangal sometimes. That's it. Like, okay, we learned a lot of things. But yeah, we enjoyed a lot. Like, also the different types of food we used to get around NIT Warangal, right? Be it a Punjabi dhaba or Rayans or anything, right? It's been great. The food was great of Warangal, and we enjoyed a lot. Like there is no one specific memory to pick up, but yeah, the whole, as you said, the whole journey was great.
Yeah, it is, as you said, it is a right mix of enjoyment along with the knowledge that you get. So that is very good part about it.
Concluding finally, do you want to say anything to the JEE aspirants who wants to come to NIT Warangal?
I would say, like if people are in a dilemma whether to select college or branch, if you are not certain of selecting a branch, like I was in same zone, like I didn't know which branch to take. So you first need to select a good college, and then a branch will follow. And after coming here, also you will have an opportunity to change your branch. After your first year, you can slide to the branch whichever you like. Actually, yeah, it's a very good experience. You'll have mix of enjoyment along with the technical knowledge. You'll have great exposure. You will be your peer group will be people who have cracked JEE like you. So being with the people who are like-minded and who are having a very great brains and discussing a lot of stuff with them, it's actually fun being at NIT Warangal, I would say.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is
Also, I'd like to add this thing like students across the country will be coming, so your communication skills and the social skills will be on point. I can say that will be on point after 4 years of experience. So you don't need to worry about all these things. You just need to crack JEE main and then you come to NIT Warangal. Rest is assured. Done. So I need to thank you, Achilles Raman, for joining me in this small video session. And thank you for giving the valuable insights. And yeah, everybody take care, stay home and stay safe. Be prepared very well for the JEE exam in September. So yeah, so it's a great session. I'd like to thank you for this, dude.
yeah, I had a very good time. It was pleasure being here, sharing my experiences for the juniors and all. Hope this session will be useful and helpful for the juniors aspirants who would like to join NIT Warangal. So yeah, thank you
Yes,
for
yes.
inviting me.
Hope you guys like the video. Stay safe, stay home. So be prepared for the JEE exam in September and get ready to come to NIT Warangal. You'll have a lots of fun. So yeah, all the best, guys, and bye. Take care.